Hello, trading is closed on January 10th, 2024. We'll do our disclaimer, go over our calls, make some predictions. It's my trading plan for tomorrow, January 11th. Please remember, I can be wrong. Trade at your own risk. Also, I have personal business early in the day. Won't be risking any new money early. Look for the pattern today with the early low, which is this, and tomorrow should have the early high. We had a great setup for a top, and we said the only thing that would kill it would be gapping and promptly overtaking these highs, and that's what happened, so there was no call. Just a reminder of what we said. We gapped and promptly overtook the high. Tomorrow has the early high. We hit to cross an old target off the list, 47.85.58. There's resistance at and just over that price target. We started the year off with 12 unfilled targets from 2023, one from late 2022. I said most of these should print 2 down. I don't think we'll get the rest of the 10, but I've got most of the year to get more than 2, and I think I will. Early in the morning, we got an ultimate buy that's played out and an ultimate sell. Usually when there's an ultimate buy and an ultimate sell, you don't go anywhere. It's pretty much a given you're going to come back into this range, but that didn't happen. And the ultimate sell tells us we're going to undercut this low and usually be more than just a little amount. It just doesn't tell us when it's going to happen. Usually you don't have to wait long. The afternoon said ultimately a higher price would print. We got the minimum instantly. This rally was called false. We're due to hit 47.65.87. And if we don't gap up smartly, that's my call for tomorrow. Had this all day rally, the dotted lines to close, we couldn't overtake these midday highs, so the last few hours didn't accomplish anything. There's a wall into the close, and that's vulnerable to gapping down. If that's a false move, which you don't know yet, it's going to gap and promptly undercut that low and then get us to our targets. And if you gap up instead, the rules say you just cancel the call, don't have to risk money. Well, tomorrow's pattern has a yearly high. It doesn't tell us where we open. Typically, it's a rally day with a final hour high, but if you fail, it's a straight line drop. The consumer price index comes out before the open tomorrow. I just can't predict the response to these major economic reports, any high level of accuracy. And by the time the report comes out, everything I say might be worthless. There are lower targets, but if we don't gap up smartly, we should trade lower. The day-long rally couldn't close where midday's high. There's a wall into the close. Often we'll gap down. Bulls can still save the day by gapping and promptly overtaking today's high. With this economic report, that's certainly possible. Unless that happens, I think we see lower prices tomorrow. And if it's a straight line drop, it could be much lower prices tomorrow. But again, you gap up here and the whole idea is killed, and that we're not going to know until tomorrow. We should know it, I would think, once the report comes out about an hour before the open. So it's the pattern with the early high, usually a rally day, but I've got lower targets, and if they print, it should be a straight line drop. It's today's call.